Can we have a fully robotic sort of environment by 20, 35, 40?
I think that's where I see that because it has to do it. It is inevitable. It has to move. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बताऊंगा. Shenzhen was a fishing village opposite Hong Kong, and now the highest number of billionaires from China are coming out from Shenzhen and Beijing. Whenever the global brands come to India, they think it's 1.5 billion population. पर 1.5 billion population नहीं है. मैं इंडिया को इंडिया 1, 2 and 3 में डिवाइड करता हूँ. Right? Like 100 millions are India 3. Right? About 20, 30 millions are India 2.
Wow.
And only last 10 million would be India 1, right? So who are affluent Indians, right? So if it's about 3 or 5% of the population. IPL was selling at 350 crore rupees. वो 350-400 में खुश था, राइट? ये ऊपर भी वो दोनों बैठे, दोनों झगड़ पड़े और वो 1250 करोड़ का बिक गया तो वो देवर हैप्पी.
Okay, I'm looking at money after a long time. Lots of money, sir. Don't smile. शर्म की बात है. पैसा एक ही हाथ में. not in this side. But Madhav Sheth, entrepreneur, startup superstar, sultan of the mobile world, and gave us real me. We'll get to all these details a little later. But first, let me tell you how much money he's got, guys. It's unbelievable. Can you share?
I think
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं. I'll guess. So you don't say लगभग just say. You don't say the exact figure. Okay, 20,000 crores.
that's the valuation of the company, or that's the revenue of the company which I built every year. Yes.
Oh my God. 21 साल की बात है भाई. Get me my pen and paper. This is going to take a long time. Yeah. Anyway, he's worth lots of money, but that's not the point. The story starts somewhere else. You're basically a Mumbai boy.
Yeah, I was born in Mumbai. Yes.
So give us a little background about, because I was trying to read your background, because before you became the superstar, Xavier's College, NM College, looked like a regular guy from here.
Yeah, I'm a very regular guy. My dad being a banker, transferable job, moving every 2 years from one place to another place like a backpacker. Once finished my schooling, then I went to States and then US, and then I also did my law graduation.
Oh my God.
So I think, yes, I moved around a lot and I have learned to understand a lot of different cultures, different people, different places.
Before going to States, let's start here. तो पहला मुंबई में था? नहीं,
Mumbai.
पहला
I was born in Mumbai, yes.
born in Mumbai.
Schooling, a bit of the schooling done in Mumbai.
Then you moved to?
Calcutta.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Big change. So Calcutta.
From
2-3 साल वहाँ पे. Then
moved to another few places in India, like
Okay.
maybe in North, Bangalore,
Wow.
anywhere.
So your childhood was all over the place.
All over the places, yes.
Is that good, or is that like every time getting up, leaving the place?
See, initially,
friends?
initially I thought that probably, yes, you are not able to make a constant friend, but I think it's fun to understand different cultures, different places, and it became as a part of a routine of your life, right? It's much better when you really want to understand the psychology of any single person from a particular community. Because India, I think every 300 kilometers there's a different dialect.
Correct.
And you need to understand that. If you are building up a product, the most important thing is you have to understand the psychology of a consumer. So I think that's the best part which I've learned.
But now, when you've tasted so much success, do you ever feel कि boss मुझे यहाँ पे रह नहीं सकता है, because you need that kida is there to go to the next place, do the next thing. Is that also a problem?
See, I've traveled all over the world. मुझे अभी एक ही चीज़ लगता है कि इंडिया में अपॉर्चुनिटी है अभी. द रीज़न बिकॉज वी आर स्टिल डेवलपिंग एंड आई थिंक वी आर एट द स्टेज के जहाँ पे अभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंडस्ट्री में एक भी इंडियन ब्रांड नहीं है. 4.5 लाख करोड़ का मार्केट है. देयर इज नो
That's a
इंडियन
good
ब्रांड. इज अ होल बिग.
What the hell's wrong with us, yaar? You have to destroy South Korea, Japan, all these, Germany, America, China.
80% is Chinese, right?
China. Learning on the spot.
Yeah, so I think there's a difference of supply chain and a brand. So there are 80% brands from China in India, while supply chain globally is from China and some Korea and from US. So I think, yes, India has an opportunity.
What about
in this.
Bangladesh? So at the moment, Bangladesh के साथ I think our relations are not good. I just want to know.
Nothing on the geopolitics side, but I would say that Bangladesh has been used always as a sweatshop.
To make products.
To make products cheaper. Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, because there are no labor laws. When there are no labor laws, always any foreign companies use this type of countries as a sweatshop, which China used to be back in 2000. So जो country में labor laws आते हैं, country में
China बढ़ गया ऊपर. Now they use other countries for the labor. We used to make all the jokes about Chinese, very bad jokes about children being used and all that.
Yeah.
Working in these
Now they
factories.
have a very strict labor laws. That's the reason now they have become more expensive in terms of manpower. But they are moving towards robotics, which can move the zero light factory. Zero light factory मतलब बिना light के भी factory चलता है.
इतना तेज से बात करते हैं तो I can't even follow now. what is a zero light factory?
जीरो लाइट फैक्ट्री वो है कि जहाँ पे आपका पूरा प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है तो उसमें लाइट्स की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स रोबोटिक आर्म्स वर्किंग होल डे होल नाइट.
मतलब no labor.
नो लेबर एट ऑल, जीरो लेबर.
So what is the cost to company?
That is the reason. Only on the investment on the robotics and the supply and the software.
Boss, but jobs will go.
That are I would say this labor jobs. That's the reason क्योंकि चाइना और यूएस का एवरेज एज जो है विच इज़ 40, रफली 39-40. इंडिया का एवरेज 29 है पॉपुलेशन का. सो द रीजन दे डू नॉट वांट टू ट्रांसफर नाउ the labor job also is that's the reason they're moving towards robotic and moving towards more automation. कि उनको पता है कि उनका पॉपुलेशन अगर एक्सपेंसिव हो रहा है तो हाउ दे कैन रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट इज थ्रू रोबोटिक्स. हेंस इफ यू सी लॉट ऑफ रोबोट्स मूविंग अराउंड इन दिस कंट्रीज एंड दे आर वर्किंग मोर ऑन दैट बिकॉज एवरेज एज ही पॉपुलेशन का बढ़ा है तो वो लोग काम ही नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज दे ऑल वांट टू अर्न एंड बिकम रिचर नाउ.
Right. But do you think it will really happen? This whole robot movement?
चाइना में तो ऑलरेडी हो रहा है. आई थिंक देयर जीरो लाइट फैक्ट्रीज ऑलरेडी इन चाइना. देयर रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स ओनली ऑन रोबोटिक्स. देयर 1000 looms वर्किंग लाइक Xiaomi smartphone brand. They have the factories which are zero light factories, like they have day in day out working out without any manpower.
But without any manpower, matlab, so how do you? If you had 1,000 people working there, then 1,000 people go where?
See, it's not about they move up the ladder.
सर मैं सोशलिस्ट हूँ सर, आप कैपिटलिस्ट हैं तो फर्क तो होगा.
नहीं
मतलब what you
अपस्किल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप हमेशा लेबर जॉब करके आप डाई नहीं करोगे. सो यू हैव टू अपस्किल योरसेल्फ एंड यू हैव टू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज, राइट?
Which is what robot तो आ गया तो मैं क्या करेगा?
तो रोबोट आ गया तो बट यू नो ह्यूमंस कैन नॉट बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय अ रोबोट. I
But
always
you just said कि boss this is.
I'm talking about thinking. So basically we have to upskill ourselves. That is the whole point.
But the guy who's packaging, let's say it's a packaging good factory, the guy who's packaging is replaced by these
Robots.
arms who do
Yeah.
everything. So what job will we give him now?
That is the question which the whole world is saying. But it's a race which nobody can avoid. Because if some factory is doing and they are able to reduce the cost, other factories have to move to that stage.
True.
It's inevitable. Let's me put it that way.
So अगर आप लोग लेबर में हैं तो just warning you, do MBA.
Do MBA
startup.
or do something which can upskill you. Not only MBA, but do something which can upskill you.
But
to the
in
next-
countries like us, you know, who have strong labor force, you were just mentioning before, Bangladesh, etc. We have strong labor force. We
Yes.
cannot offset labor. It will cause a huge problem.
Exactly. And that is the reason I think what happens with the robotic factory कि वहाँ पे precision आ जाता है. वहाँ पे cost over a period of time कम हो जाता है because capital investment हो जाता है. Capital investment में cost reduction आ जाता है. Manpower labor problems नहीं होती है.
और
Union problems नहीं
दोबारा
होती है.
investment नहीं होना है इसमें ना,
हाँ,
because
मतलब
एक
we
बार
just
अगर
keep on upgrading it, right?
थोड़ा whatever servicing.
It's like Mumbai roads, you know, they keep on upgrading themselves.
Sir, that's not a good analogy. That's not a good analogy. We need labor there. We can wherever there's a hole, we can keep a person there so we can drive peacefully over it. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's always under construction.
Yeah.
So Mumbai road is always under construction. This software is also like that. It's always under construction. Keep on doing it.
They
right?
should keep the title के TBC, to be continued. So that way everyone understands कि खत्म नहीं होगा.
Right.
It should be continued.
So there's certain roads in Mumbai which never stops at construction.
Which
right?
is your worst road? Have you been to Mira Bhayandar Bridge?
No, I've seen on
Have
the
you heard of it?
Instagram.
Have you seen the picture?
I've seen the picture. Yes.
अब बता सकते हैं sir, you're a tech guy. End of the day, they have 4 lanes. And it's a flyover and it goes into 2 lanes. So idea क्या था? सोच क्या था उसमें? I think you challenge the person कि boss, this is something like an obstacle. You know, you take this on. I think maybe that's it, psychological.
I don't know, but I think May was just testing the driver's skill.
Yeah.
Right? They wanted to test the driver's
Marriages
skill.
are breaking up, yaar. Because people are fighting in the car. When Sunday come down and say, ये 2 हो गया अभी. Okay, let's get back to our interesting conversation on robotics for a second. I want to go back to your entire life, but so you're saying this is the future. Can you give us a timeline?
I think within next 10 to 15 years in
Worldwide, yeah, India. Mein.
worldwide, because China and US are already on the move, right? Like Apple has already said that to all his suppliers that by 2027 they want to move to 80% automation. Automation matlab, I think everything they can move the supply chain easily. Why companies do this is because they can move the supply chain from one country to any other country rather than only depending on one country and their labor force. कल उठ के इंडिया नहीं तो इंडिया के अलावा कोई दूसरे कंट्री में चले जाएंगे वैसे. They can move wherever they feel right. Whichever government supports them, they'll continue to move. That's how it is.
But coming back to India, can we have like a fully robotic sort of environment by 20, 35, 40?
I think that's where I see that because it has to do it. It is inevitable. It has to move. Right? Because if we do not do, we will not be globally competitive. Agar India wants to be the part of the global supply chain, India has to move to that.
Entrepreneur is going to make a lot of money. Like the cost of company has gone down. All that I understand. I'm just saying that what is the entire population of people working underneath, जो है employees या जो भी है मजदूर or whatever word you want to use. What happens to them? I asked this again, but And you said there's no answer for that.
See, as I said, as an entrepreneur, as any of the tech company or any of the manufacturing company, they have to move towards automation because
वो तो है,
precision
you
चाहिए,
said
वो
that.
होना ही है.
You said competition dictates, तो करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
वो किया. But what happens with the people?
That is where they have to upskill themselves. They have got 10 years time. In India अगर 10 साल है तो they have to upskill them. That is the reason upskill, unlearn and relearn. Very important.
Let's look at all the jobs that are still there in the factory. Watchman का job होगा.
वो तो होगा ही.
रोबोटिक का क्या, रोबोटिक का क्या करेगा? You need विश्वा प्रसाद who said आप कौन है? To the general manager's wife when she comes in. That's normally that's a part of our culture. I don't take that away from us. So basically, once you enter the factory, you're screwed because we don't know what's going to happen to the jobs. But that's where we are. Let's rewind, sir. We'll come back to all these topics. Slightly sad story. But the good story is your story. So आप Xavier's में क्या? Science.
No. It was all about commerce.
Commerce.
Yeah.
Okay. उसके बाद NM में MBA.
It was more about early initial graduation. Right, I moved from there.
Okay,
Yes.
you switched.
Yeah.
उसके बाद how do you go to Harvard?
It was like basically we just tried it, right? And I think I was lucky enough to get it. But at that point of time, पैसे नहीं थे.
बहुत महंगा.
महंगे से ज़्यादा
100,000 US per year it used to be.
Yeah, roughly around that. Yeah.
100,000 US. The education is not easy here.
At that time it was $50 rupees to $1, 60 rupees to $1, right? ऐसा था तभी.
वो तो है. हाँ.
आज almost 92 हो गया.
You can sell your education now.
So I think what we learn over there is how you unlearn something and relearn because the world is moving too fast. And what I learned over there is learning something from the case study which Indian education system did not had it.
Such as?
कि आपको रियल लाइफ केस स्टडीज बताते हैं जैसे कि समझ लो एप्पल ने क्या किया था इफ दे वर इनटू द वर्ज ऑफ बैंक्रप्सी व्हाट डिड दे एक्चुअली डिड इट whom they brought in how did they do it like Tim
how they went from failure to success
is also because what we think India में क्या है कि सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है we all want to talk about story like rags to riches. Nobody wants to as a culture discuss failures.
80s का हिंदी मूवी का प्लॉट ही है.
But nobody actually wants to see or talk to a person when he is at the stage of a failure.
Right.
अगर आप फेलियर स्टेज पे तो आपसे बात नहीं करना है. आप रिच बन जाओगे तभी आप बात करोगे.
People come and talk to me all the time. So, क्या बात है?
You can make middle class person laugh.
Yeah.
So you can do anything, right? When you can make person laugh, you can do anything.
So no robot here, huh? Not yet.
I don't think so. Your job can be replaced with robots.
नहीं AI भी एक चीज है भाई. AI जो what do you call that AI that
generative AI.
हाँ.
जनरेटिव एआई आपके लिए स्क्रिप्ट लिखेगा. आप जो बोलोगे वो स्क्रिप्ट कंप्लीट करके दे देगा.
अच्छा.
बट दे कैन नॉट रिप्लेस यू.
क्या बात है भाई. जिंदा रहना पड़ेगा अभी. So you're talking about the failed project. No one looks at that to learn from that, right?
To learn from that. And US that as a culture they invest on that because they take that as a learning. कि उसमें से लर्न करके हम लोग उसको कैसे डेवलप करके build the scale from failures and R&D के ऊपर कैसे support करो because R&D is something, research and development is something where out of 199% there are a lot of chances of failures. But nobody in India wants to risk their capital on failures. Only want to invest on the success.
What a beautiful line that is, na? Risk your capital on failure. Imagine अगर आपका experience है fail experience है, you go to an angel investor, one of these guys.
That is the concept, right? Even if you go to US, they will say, okay, how much you have learned from this failure and how much अभी आपका जो अगला project है, that is how the Silicon Valley works. That is how the Seoul works. That is how Shenzhen works. They invest on the person stating that what have you learned from your failures और अभी आपका जो अगला प्रोजेक्ट है उसमें क्या करोगे वैसे.
ये सबसे मेरे ख्याल से सबसे पॉजिटिव फिलॉसफी जो मैं कभी सुना लाइफ में कि बेसिकली इफ यू फेल यू हैव अ बेटर चांस व्हेन यू अप्रोच एन इन्वेस्टर.
Yes, because you have learned from it. So see, for them it is you fail early, you learn early. And you learn early, then you know your success chances of success.
You don't waste their money by making mistakes again.
So your mistakes are smaller than the mistakes you're going to make in the future.
That's a good point.
Right. So that is the reason they have a long-term view of certain investments. इंडिया में एंजल इन्वेस्टर तो सिर्फ इतना है कि उनको सिर्फ आईपीओ में लॉन्च करना है, वैल्यूएशन करवाना है.
कितना टाइम लगेगा बस.
वैल्यूएशन कितना हो गया? आप इंस्टाग्राम पे डांस करवाओ सब फाउंडर्स को and make them popular on Instagram. They have become an entertainer and then move from there. That's it. And make an IPO, exit the company, give it to retail investors. That's a modus operandi right now in India. Very simple.
Okay, but let's go back to Harvard. So Harvard, you feel you learned a lot there? I have not heard too many Harvard stories that are actually successful. Most of these famous guys like yourself who become famous with one app, one idea, one thing, they come from somewhere else.
See, it is not about that. It is about understanding different culture also. And then after that, I also studied business law, which gives
क्या
you
होता है?
business law ये होता है जो आपको how does
हिंदुस्तान में ये बिजनेस और लॉ विरोधी शब्द है. It's not
बिजनेस लॉ ये है कि आपके बिजनेस में
हाँ.
लॉ कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, विच मीन्स कि अगर आप सप्लाई चेन, हम लोग जैसे MBA में सीखे थे कि वर्ल्ड इज वन, वो एक्चुअली नहीं होता है.
ये बिहार में नहीं चलेगा. I'm telling you right now. Just kidding.
अभी दुनिया में कहीं नहीं चल रहा है.
सही
वर्ल्ड
बात
इज
है.
वन अभी दुनिया में कहीं
सही
नहीं
बात
चल रहा
है.
है. एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर ओन सप्लाई चेन. जैसे चाइना, वी से इट्स मोर ऑफ एन ऑटोक्रेटिक वे कि दे वांट टू डेवलप देयर ओन कंट्री. US has become more protectionist. Okay, they want to protect their own economy. While India is being more democratic, but it also gives a chance right now, and that's the reason I'm back in India, thinking that democracy at this point of time can give an opportunity to startups also, where they will be able to explore more and support more. मैंने जैसे बताया कि अगर आपका टाइम मतलब टोटल एड्रेसेबल मार्केट 4 लाख 4.5 लाख करोड़ का है और एक भी इंडियन ब्रांड नहीं है जो 1000 करोड़ भी कर सकता है, सो इट्स
But
शेम,
considering कि IT में इंडिया के इम्प्रिंट ज्यादा है, how come we never got into the hardware side or the
सी हम लोग ने हमेशा सर्विस एक्सपोर्ट्स पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया है, बिकॉज इंडिया ने मतलब ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स बनाए तो हम लोग सर्विसेज देते थे. सर्विस एक्सपोर्ट्स करके हम लोग ने जो IPs बनाए, विच आई कॉल इट इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी. इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी हमने फॉरेन कंपनीज के लिए बनाए, इंडिया के लिए नहीं बने कोई भी. सो हमने क्या किया कि हमने प्रॉफिट जनरेट किया पर वैल्यू जनरेट नहीं किया. व्हाट डज दैट मीन इज कि प्रॉफिट इज अ ट्रांजैक्शनल, कि आज हमने कमा लिया पर लॉन्ग टर्म हम नहीं कमा पाएंगे. इट वुड बी कंडीशनल एंड एक्सट्रीमली सब्जेक्टिव कि आगे जाके इसमें से हम लोग प्रॉफिट कंटिन्यू कमा पाएंगे कि नहीं कमा पाएंगे, क्योंकि वो जो IPs क्रिएट हुए वो तो सारे US और चाइना में क्रिएट हुए या यूरोप में क्रिएट हुए. तो IPs का जो रेवेन्यू है विच कम्स फॉर 20 years, लाइक नोकिया स्टिल अर्निंग फ्रॉम IPs इवन दो दे हैव शट डाउन द ब्रांड एज अ स्मार्टफोन, बट एज अ नेटवर्क ऑपरेटर दे आर स्टिल अर्निंग फ्रॉम देयर IPs. वो IPs क्रिएशन इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट
So we have given them all this benefit
But
and
we
not
have-
kept anything for ourselves.
for us. So we were a service-led export country. I think service के साथ में हार्डवेयर एक्सपोर्ट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि चाइना एंड ताइवान इटसेल्फ, मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बताऊंगा. शेंजन was a fishing village opposite Hong Kong, and now the highest number of billionaires from China are coming up from Shenzhen and Beijing because of the only technology industry. Because $450 billion का एक्सपोर्ट होता है, 450 नहीं $550 billion का एक्सपोर्ट होता है, एंड ताइवान एक्सपोर्ट्स $400 billion.
एक विलेज से.
एक majority, all the headquarters are from Shenzhen. The factories would be scattered around it, but all the headquarters are based around in Shenzhen. और $550 billion का एक्सपोर्ट सिर्फ चाइना करता है ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एक्सपोर्ट्स. सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपोर्ट्स आर डिफरेंट. अगर सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपोर्ट्स में और ताइवान एक्सपोर्ट्स $450 billion. सो बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम इज अराउंड रफली विदन $900 billion और to $1,000 billion वर्थ ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट्स. अगर इसमें से इंडिया अभी 30 बिलियन पे पहुंचा हुआ है, विच इज ऑल्सो स्टिल इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट, इम्पोर्ट वर्सेज एक्सपोर्ट, बट I think there's a huge potential, and that's where I'm trying to capitalize on it. Right? That's the reason I see an opportunity and white space around in
We have
India.
to fight mighty China. We're already established.
We don't have to fight. I think यही हमारा सबसे बड़ा drawback है, सोचना कि we have to fight. I think we can complement each other.
कैसे?
We have to learn. आप किसी से सीखोगे ना तो आप जाके कर पाओगे. First is when you learn, replicate, and then you unlearn and make innovate. Unlearn,
Slowly. So first you learn.
learn.
जो बड़ा बाप है उसे आप
आप टेक्नोलॉजी लर्न तो करोगे,
लर्न किया, उसके बाद
आप उसको रेप्लिकेट करोगे इंडिया में.
अच्छा, एट अ चीपर प्राइस.
एट अ चीपर प्राइस और
for
एट अ
your
सेम
market,
प्राइस.
अपना मार्केट के लिए.
अपने मार्केट, आपका डोमेस्टिक कंजम्पशन भी काफी है.
हाँ.
वी हैव गॉट 1.5 बिलियन पॉपुलेशन और सेल्फ डोमेस्टिक कंजम्पशन इज ह्यूज.
Correct.
हम खुद के मार्केट के लिए यूज करेंगे तो एटलीस्ट वो पैसा इंडिया में ही घूमेगा. इफ यू आर नॉट इम्पोर्टिंग एंड डूइंग एवरीथिंग इन इंडिया, तो मनी विल स्टे इन इंडिया.
करेक्ट.
देन यू अनलर्न एंड देन
अनलर्न का मतलब क्या है?
अनलर्न का मतलब है कि अभी आप वही ट्रेंड पे अगर चलते रहे तो यू विल नेवर बी अहेड ऑफ चाइना. इफ यू वांट टू बी अहेड ऑफ चाइना, देन यू हैव टू अनलर्न एंड देन इनोवेट अगेन.
So you learn from the master and then you destroy the master in a sense.
If you want to grow,
Causing-
if you want to grow beyond them,
हाँ.
if you just want to stay, then it's fine. Continue doing it. If you want to grow beyond that, and if you have the appetite and risk appetite to grow beyond that, like I love poker, so मेरा एक ही है कि I go all in. When you ask how much money I have,
गंदी बातें हैं. What is all in and all that?
all in for me in work is कि you whenever you do something, you just play all in.
All the money.
all the money in the sense you put everything
You
off
gamble
yourself.
everything.
You gamble everything. Means, your mind, your interest, your whatever money or whatever you want to do, you do and focus on it. When you are focused, all in is all about focus. When you are focused on some one particular subject, you are able to build out of it, right?
Madhav, tell me one thing. I'm fascinated by your ये जो business jargon. This is all coming from training or this is coming from yourself? जैसे आपने कहा कि first learn from the big bop, then you have to replicate it in the domestic sphere, then you have to unlearn it, and then you have to go beyond.
Yeah.
So this comes from training or?
I think this is a basic fundamental. Like, say, for example, I can never make people laugh like what you do, right? But even if I try to learn from you, I will not be able to replicate you.
Unless I'm Chinese.
Unless I have an AI version of
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
If I'm able to create an AI version of you and my ChatGPT can write of it, but still
robotic version.
not even robotic, even if I have an AI avatar. But still, I cannot replace because you'll always be able to think beyond a robot.
एक suggestion, अगर एक नया अवतार है तो can I have proper hair? No hair loss, no coloring hair, nothing. Just till death or till the end of the.
I think people like the way you are. The way you start, the day you start looking more perfect than what you are today, people may not like you, right?
Unlearn. I have to unlearn. I'm still on unlearn. I'm learning, yeah. Let's go back to your story, yaar. So, हुआ क्या? Because you went to Harvard, you're studying, you obviously have a very special mind, no doubt about that. But so many people will be inspired when they listen to people like you, because everybody feels कि what is the process that a guy has. I think दो चीज़ें इसमें, एक idea. Idea, obviously, idea तो idea है. We can't do anything about idea. वो तो original है. Second thing is the process. Is there a process? And how did you get into, before Realme, how did you become the guy you became?
See, let me start from back in 2000 that I was selling recharge. Coupon recharge होता था आपको पता है अगर आप if you have gone through, a lot of people wouldn't even know what was a coupon recharge because at that time a mobile recharge now mobile recharge can be done anytime online or through mobile to mobile. At that time, there was a coupon.
Yeah.
You have to scratch that coupon with a coin.
Yeah.
You get a 18-digit number. You have to punch that 18-digit number on a phone, and that's when your phone gets recharged. So I started selling from there. That's where I got into a telecom industry, right? And
वहाँ पे यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे back in 2000 if I need the funds कहाँ से आएंगे because when you are from a banker family you have to do everything yourself, so I was Atmanirbhar by then only.
Wow. Before the world came into fashion.
Right. Atmanirbhar is something I think Indian families are always putting their kids into it, right? कि आप देख लो अपने आप. So that's how it is. So by then we have to figure out the life. And when you start selling it and getting into telecom industry, one thing what I have understood is your network is your real net worth. That's the only one thing which I've really understood because the people whom you meet, that circle will help you to grow because they are also growing. And if you continue to grow with the circle, you will be able to grow much faster unless you are loyal in your words and ethics. You have the fine line of ethics into it. Right?
So basically, it's like a PR exercise in the beginning.
It's more of a
create your
PR.
market, create your network.
Network is most important thing for any of the youngsters right now. Rather than just doom scrolling in your mobile phone, I think most important is 1 hour.
Sorry, excuse my French. He's saying doom scrolling. We're watching it live. Can you believe it, yaar? Oh man, it's so embarrassing. Yes. Sorry about the bad language.
Wasting time on doom scrolling. I think phones are for your productivity, not for your improductivity, right? Don't waste your
For
time.
you. For most people in the world, this is how time pass, yaar.
Don't do that. It is good for entertainment, but if you're just doom scrolling and doing it continuously for the whole day, you're wasting your most important thing, which phones really want to make you, which is lazy. Right? If you become lazy, then phone can think better than you. It's as simple as that. Right?
I'm going to ask you that question later about sentient AI and all that. But finish the story.
Yeah, so I think the network is the most important thing.
That's how you started.
That's where you start, right?
You were selling to make funds for yourself.
Yeah,
Am I
yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Uske baad?
That's where you start making funds for yourself. Jump from one company to another company. Start doing distribution side. Be the part of the company.
By now, your heart was set in telecom.
All into telecom. So in 20 years, I've done nothing but telecom. And that's the only thing which I've learned from ground up, which is understanding the retailer psychology, consumer psychology, and how they buy, how do they recharge. From from the slums in Malad to the Bandra, how do the people use recharges?
और सब अलग-अलग behavioral pattern है.
अलग-अलग behavioral pattern है, right? So
Can you give us an example? Like what happens in, I mean, Malad.
Okay.
Let's not about poor rich, but just
no,
generally
it's not
speaking.
about poor rich. It's about I would say how people are cognizant of spending money, right? So, like say for a person in Malad, Damunagar, or if Damunagar in Kandivali, sorry, if the person in Damunagar, because that was one of the area where the recharges used to sell the most. So I used to go over there and try to figure out what exactly people used to do with the recharge. So they used to inquire about the recharge before they used to do a recharge. कि how much they will get,
हर पैसा की कीमत,
हर पैसे का कीमत, मतलब 10 रुपए में कितना SMS मिलेगा, कितने कॉल्स मिलेंगे, कितने फ्री मिनट्स मिलेगे, बिकॉज
But this is very Indian, boss. I don't think ये गरीब और अमीर की बात नहीं है
बात
इसमें.
गरीब और अमीर की नहीं
Indians
है.
always have that mindset कि मैं क्या मिलेगा, माइलेज क्या है.
चलो, it's not about that.
No?
It is also agreed. But I'm talking about now come to the people in Bandra. They will not think about that, right?
No.
No. They'll just say, okay, आप
We are in
500 रुपए
Bandra.
का रिचार्ज कर दो. That's it.
सही में.
You know, they will
So
not.
they're only looking at the bottom line. They're not looking at the fundamental of everything.
Yeah, they are looking at using telecom and being connected. They are using it as a productivity that, you know, if the people are coming from, they are migrant population who are coming down, can I call up, because at that point of time between states also there were different rates. So can I call up my family at night or in morning, and what will be the rates? People in Bandra, they are not bothered about it. They will pick up the call and call up anytime whenever they want to call up their family at any given point of time, right?
Spoiled people here.
No, it's not about spoil. I think that's.
Sorry.
I think it's a difference of culture just in 20 kilometers of how the people consume certain things.
और entrepreneur के mind में judgment नहीं होता है इसमें, right?
You don't have to.
आप ऐसा नहीं सोचता कि why are they doing this exactly?
No.
You're only looking at this is what they want, this is what they want.
I think that is what I learned, that you have to respect every single culture. The day I start down looking any culture, that I'll never be able to develop any product. You have to respect every single culture and every single person's way of consuming a particular product if you really want to sell them.
So pan India must be huge, यार. ये छोटे-छोटे changes,
Yeah.
यार, how, what do you want to call it, flexibility between the different communities.
Yeah, it is very
classes
different.
and etc. etc.
Hence, I think whenever the global brands come to India, they think it's 1.5 billion population. पर 1.5 बिलियन पॉपुलेशन नहीं है. मैं इंडिया को इंडिया 1, 2 and 3 में डिवाइड करता हूँ, राइट? लाइक 100 millions are India 3, राइट? About 20-30 millions are India 2.
Wow.
And only last 10 million would be India 1, right? So who are affluent Indians, right? So if it's about 3 or 5% of the population who don't care about anything, right? India 2 is something which are aspiring to move to India 1. And India 3 is still like 80 or 100 million people who are still in India 3. So when somebody from the global brand thinks that, you know, how India looks like is 1.5 billion population, I've got a huge market. And they bloody come, burn money and leave, right?
It's a great point, यार. I think we should learn this in the podcast also. एक what's it, homogeneous market तो नहीं है. It's just fractured in different ways and parts, and even in one area it's not exactly the same.
It is not. It is not. Like
I mean,
I
I think
explained.
Kandivali and Bandra is a few kilometers apart, for example.
Yeah. The consumption pattern differs. And people aspiring at a different price points, having the different aspiration from a particular product differs. So as a product manager, I think like you are a product manager for your own podcast. So you know what content will your consumer like. If you know your genre and what consumers would like to
But I
listen.
don't think हम लोग ऐसा इतना science के साथ research करता है कि each consumer is different. You're always looking at it like each consumer is different.
That is what the best part about you, right? You are what AI cannot replace, which means that probably you can make Indian middle class people laugh or the affluent people laugh. And that is something which is what you will continue doing it. That's a product. You are a product, right? And you do not have to change on that, right?
मैं तो safe हूँ. Just pass the test. So, somewhat.
Right.
No, but we are just trying to understand your mind. That we have you here. I think it'll be great for people who, so many people want to make money. But I think as entrepreneurs, money is the last thing. The first thing is what you're trying to sell, right?
Money is just an output. If I start saying that if you focus only on output without the right input metrics, तो आप फेल हो जाओगे.
Correct.
आपको पहले लोगों की साइकोलॉजी समझनी पड़ेगी, देन प्रोडक्ट, देन पीपल whom you are selling, then market time, then what are the right things to, you know, communicate, and then probably the output which is money. If you just only focus on money, you will not be able to.
Weight loss का जैसा है ना, लोग सोचते हैं कि I want to lose 10 kilos. And that's all they're thinking कि 10 kilos. वो मेहनत and effort and process जो है उसके बीच में और उसके पहले, that nobody's getting into that.
Nobody want to
So you're
go
more
through it.
involved in that, and then as an output later
Yeah.
on we see if the money
See,
comes.
I look at like what you just gave an analogy of workout. I look workout as a mental wellness rather than only physical wellness. Physical wellness or physical outlook always is an output. But what it really gives me a workout is a mental wellness every morning. And that's the reason I started working out.
I got a girlfriend. Just joking, Sanji. Nothing like that. Workout is more important. No girlfriend. Yeah, no, people don't understand ki workout, yoga, these kind of things are mental and therapeutic.
Yes.
Matlab the entire body and spirit is consumed in something you're doing to give you peace of mind, and then you go ahead and with your day and do whatever you have to do.
Exactly.
Which people just think is only to lose weight. It's much more.
What I call it is like a smoke cloud. It clears up your smoke cloud in your mind, and you're able to think much more clearer than exactly what you should be doing it in the whole
Until
day.
you start driving on the streets of Kandivali, where he was trying to sell stuff, and then you realize, "Ki boss, no amount of yoga and workout will help me get through the streets of Mumbai." We'll take a break, and then we'll come back. We'll talk about the growth of Realme, how it happened, how did this man become one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our generation.
Thank you.
And today he's not come in a plane. He has a plane, ladies and gentlemen.
No, I don't have any plane.
You don't have a plane?
No, I don't have any plane. ना मेरे पास private charter है.
कहने का क्या अर्ज है भाई? Just say ना.
No. मैं अभी भी economy class में travel करता हूँ because I don't see the
इतना
value.
bloody कंजूस कभी मैं मिला नहीं लाइफ में. 30-40,000 crore empire is already built. वो तो गया. He's on his next one now.
नहीं, but वो चला गया.
तो इकोनॉमी में क्या?
But economy इसलिए क्योंकि because
नारायण मूर्ति का जैसा.
नहीं, actually I do not think on that ways, but I believe it makes more sense to sit along with the team rather than sitting apart from the team. And सेम टाइम पे पहुंचते हैं दोनों, राइट? बिजनेस क्लास एंड इकोनॉमी,
राइट? सही है. 5-6 सेकंड का फर्क होता है. बिजनेस इज क्लोजर टू एग्जिट. We'll take a break. We'll come back.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Carry on.
Yeah, whenever you are ready.
I'm ready, sir. मैं तो थोड़ा पक्के हैं इसमें. I thought when you said economy, I always think when people are so successful and rich, it's almost like reverse strawberry. कि मेरे पास पैसा है मगर मैं बैठ नहीं सकता उधर. It's like almost reversing it to make you feel bad. So I remember Narayan Murthy and I think Azim Premji and even MTV का boss when we were working there. Also हम लोग सब economy ये business waste of money है वगैरह वगैरह. But your point is different. Your point is I want to stay with the team. You just want to be part of the team. It's not about business or economy.
Yeah,
so
it gives a sense of comfort to the team also.
Yeah.
And when I'm sitting with them.
Yeah.
Right? So it is not just about me. I think my team feels more confident when I'm sitting along with them. That's how it is.
So I think it's great. I think it's a very good thing if the boss, or rather the boss himself is like, part of the entire, you can, when you're a distant guy, I suppose it's a horrible thing to be.
Yeah. If you start thinking that, you're just a corner office guy, कि CEO का cabin वहाँ पे corner में है, I sit with the team only, right? I don't have my own cabin. I sit with the team
What
only.
are you saying?
I have a meeting room.
Sir, आप ज़्यादा क्या अभी इसमें?
नहीं, but you have to. I'll tell you why.
सफलता का कुछ मतलब होना चाहिए ना? What the fuck यार?
I'm starting up again, right? So I have to. Right?
So where were we? No, so this is very interesting that you do this. But what I like, correct me if I'm wrong, is that you're very into this psychology of everything. It's like वो सबसे important चीज़ है. You're always looking at
this
even,
is
because this also translates to business. They will perform better. Your team will perform better. Your business gets better.
Yes, I don't believe in strategic PPTs because मुझे इतना लगता है कोई भी आप strategic PPT बनाओगे ना
IBM soon.
2 महीने
बहुत लोग सुन. I mean, this is very easy way out. This PPT structured.
जो लोग अगर strategic PPT बनाते 1 महीना PPT बनाने के लिए लगाते और 2 महीने में वो PPT is a part of a museum. Because that strategy would be changed in next 2 months.
Why don't people realize this, yaar?
It's a bloody waste of time. Complete waste of time, right? You have to sit with your team and understand what is the real problem, make a solution, give an answer and move on. Right? Rather than getting into a boardroom meeting and wasting time of all the people together. It's no waste. It's a complete waste of company's money, right?
I feel कि meetings का भी कोई कुछ इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है मीटिंग्स में. लोग जस्ट टाइम पास करते हैं मीटिंग्स में. People want to hear their own voices, and validate कि मैं बैठ गया इधर, मेरा भी कुछ सोच है. Don't you feel that?
See, आज के दिन में none of the employees want orders from their bosses because they know what AI can give. AI can give you what? They need some bosses or they need some leader who can do so what? Who can challenge the what? Which is what, so what, right? So the so what is very important. A leader who can challenge notion of a market and breakthrough. That is what some people
Did you
wanted.
just think of that? This what and so what?
I think, yeah, it just came out naturally. Right?
I think you should write a book on business here.
No.
on
I don't have time to do that right now.
ठीक है, I'll just walk behind you and take notes. We'll publish something sooner or later. वो क्या है कान में क्या है? I wanted to ask you, I forgot.
It's a new clips which I'm testing. Right, it's a TWS, sort of a wireless earbuds. Because a lot of people have found that they have infection in their ears when they are continuously wearing the AirPods inside their ears, right? So they give a lot of problem to their ear canals and the eardrums, everything. So it has been given proof that you should not be wearing more than 1 hour a day or 1.5 hour a day. So what we are trying to develop is a OWS, which is outside wearable smart devices, where you can still be connected to the world and do not have the problem of infections in the ears, but at the same time you can have your own private callings or chats with anyone.
So, but it's in your
It's
ear.
connected. It's connected with your phone. It's like a
वो
TWS.
तो है, but it's going. It's still
No,
entering the
it
ear.
doesn't enter the ear canal, right? It's just staying outside. It's a loop.
Oh wow.
It's a battery and a loop. That's it. And it's a speaker over here.
But कुछ sound में फर्क होता है या नहीं?
No,
Quality of the sound,
no, nothing as such, right?
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
So this is a new product
Yeah, it's a new product.
that
Which
we
I'm-
are unveiling live here for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, before the actual unveiling.
Yeah, it's a new product which I'm testing and I'm about to launch very soon. And I think more importantly, what we are looking into is that how can I make fashion more or tech more fashionable? Because tech shouldn't be boring.
ये मलाड मार्केट के लिए है या कांदिवली या बैंड्रा?
Bandra becomes one of the,
Most
I would say, influencer. Malad becomes the aspirationals. Right? क्योंकि उनको बैंड्रा वालों को
सब
देखेंगे
connected होता है फिर।
सब कनेक्टेड होता है बिकॉज इट्स अ फनल राइट व्हेन वी से इट्स अ मार्केटिंग फनल तो सबसे बड़ा वाला फनल वो नीचे वाले फनल को इंस्पायर करता है
सबसे नीचे कौन है?
सबसे नीचे अगर इंडिया 3 की मैं अगर बात करता हूँ तो इंडिया 3 लुक्स अपॉन इंडिया 2 एंड इंडिया 2
इंडिया
लुक्स
3
अपॉन
मतलब इंटीरियर्स ऑफ इंडिया।
100 million people or 80 million people which I'm talking about, right? So these are the people who are, I would say, India 3. It is according to the, I think the area and also the earning scale, right? So that's how the spending power.
इंडिया 4 होगा माधव?
You can if you really want to go.
एक सबसे बड़ा फेलियर जो 3 में भी बड़ा फेलियर बन गया। There must be some people who can put it to 4.
Maybe.
एक और मार्केट सर।
Yeah, definitely. But that's where they will be.
How sweetly he's humoring me. Saying ये बकवास बात करता है ये।
No. It is possible. See, that's the reason I always respect everyone's word because there may be a market who really wants to go and penetrate to that scale.
Yeah. Everybody wants to go up.
Everybody wants to take a ladder up, right?
Yeah.
Right. So like economy से business पे जाना है, business से private
सर
charter पे
आप
जाना है.
बिजनेस में आप फर्स्ट क्लास में पहुंच आप प्राइवेट प्लेन में पहुंच गया एंड नाउ यू आर बैक इन इकोनॉमी बट यू आर रीस्टार्टिंग आपने
I'm
कहा ना
restarting
कि
again.
फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लर्न देन यू हैव टू अनलर्न
Unlearn. And then you have to make it bigger.
मेक इट बिगर देन
Right.
बिफोर या
So I think that is very important because in India your humbleness is considered as your weakness, right? Normally that's the most important thing. But I believe that when you're humble, you are able to understand and hear everyone and
यू कनेक्टेड टू द वर्ल्ड
connected to the world. But
दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट यार बिकॉज़ आई थिंक विद सक्सेस बोथ लोग ऐसा you just stay away from everybody else.
yeah, when you start putting yourself away and because you want to show that you are stronger. And that is what I always believe that what I have understood with an affluent Indians, they consider luxury as only as I believe is luxury just a price tag to make yourself differentiated or put yourself higher than me. That's the luxury definition for me.
Correct.
Right? It actually is not luxury. It's about the same product being priced higher. That's it. And you've been positioning in the mind of a consumer that probably this is how it is.
Same product, more money.
So that's how it is, right? So I was telling to my team that you want to sell 100 products to India 1, India 2, India 3 and make 1 rupee a product, or you want to sell only 1 product and make 100 rupees in the India 1 itself, right? That's the choice which a lot of brands make.
What is the right answer?
It depends on the brand strategy, what they want to do. Like the fashion brands would always try to position every brand. सबसे बड़ा mistake जो brands करती है वो अपना कोहर्ट बनाती है इंडिया 2 और इंडिया 3 के लिए, पर एस्पायर हमेशा इंडिया 1 के लिए करती है. तो वो लोग अपना प्राइस बढ़ा देते हैं और they want to become a luxury, but they do not understand the consumer psychology did not move, right? So they think that moving up the specs, they will move up the price, and moving up the price, they are considered now themselves as a premium and luxury. Consumers don't think that way. Consumers अभी भी आपको यही सोचते हैं कि आप यही हो. But that is the reason you have to position. And the most important thing in 2026 is the trust, which I believe that will make more premiumization rather than any specs. Right? That's how it is.
So how did the Realme idea come?
I was working for Oppo, right? And at that point of time, Oppo वाले सारे मेरे हमेशा मेरे लिए साले काले झंडे तो हर जगह मार्केट लगाते ही थे. The reason was because I was always trying to be disruptive in the market. I always used to challenge the status quo of any particular way of doing things, right? When you say so what, when I said, when you say what and I say so what, the difference is that
हस्बैंड बीवी के डायलॉग जैसा है ना.
So-
what
whenever they used to tell me Oppo that my offline distributors will be upset if I start selling online, so I said so what. Why can't I sell online? Because the consumers will have a price parity. We are spending 40% in offline margins to sell, to give this retailers, sending them to Bangkok for schemes and everything. Promoters को scheme दे रहे हैं, Bangkok में जाके आप मसाज करवा रहे हो, 40-40 टके कंज्यूमर के पैसे से ये लोग घूम रहे हैं.
तो आइडिया तो अच्छा है. बैंकॉक में मसाज अगर मिलेगा तो people are so stressed यार.
But the problem is that is not at the cost of a brand. It's just brand is paying from taking away from the consumer. So it's at the end of the day,
But
the
what happens
consumers
to
are paying.
offline consumer then?
That is what I am trying to say. The offline consumers is not that it is only offline consumers. It's about
They're
the-
also online consumer.
They are also an online. They are consumers. They are not just a
Correct,
offline or online consumer. The point is, offline consumers used to trust this retailer and still trust this retailer कि ये जो मुझे suggestion देगा वो अच्छा देगा. Now this retailer started taking benefits and taking higher margins from the brands, taking schemes from the brands to promote their products, which brands understood and they started putting up the bottom price accordingly. Every brand has to make a profit. आपको अच्छा आपको बैंकॉक नहीं, आपको स्विट्जरलैंड जाना है मुझे. अभी मुझे स्विट्जरलैंड नहीं, मुझे यूएस जाना है. My cost of product will keep on increasing, right?
Correct,
Because I have to send a plane load of distributors or dealers over there and get the massage done or whatever they have to do, get it done, right?
Now you're paying attention. Doom scrolling बंद हो गया. Moment you started massage ये सब लोग उड़ गया साला.
So when you're getting it for free, but it's not for free, it's the cost of the consumer, right? So that's when I said, so what if I try to find someone where I do not have to go through all of this channel and go directly to the consumer and evade this channel? How will I do it if I have to reach directly to the consumer? And online was one of the
So
best
what
way of
became
doing it.
so how?
Yeah. So then you start questioning the normal process of the market and start breaking the clutter and move to the way that probably how can I do it. Second is they said that if you are building up a brand, you need 1,000 crore worth of budgets because you are buying
Oppo said. Who said?
or anybody, any brands like Oppo, Vivo. They bought IPL, they bought cricket,
Yeah,
they
they
bought
were
BCL,
IPL
right?
sponsors for a long time. Huh?
Right. And it was also one of the most rubbish thing, right? I can tell you that story also.
मतलब?
IPL was selling at 350 crore rupees. वो 350-400 में खुश था, राइट? ये ओप्पो और वीवो दोनों बैठे, दोनों झगड़ पड़े और वो 1250 करोड़ का बिक गया तो they were happy. So they just pit against each other. They paid 1,250 crore rupees and they were happy with it. So that is how they bloody spoiled it, right? The entire marketing budgets for a lot of people, right? They start, then that's where the media industry understood that these people can spend 4x for any asset which is of an x. So automatically all the assets become 4x, which was actually x.
So overvalued.
Overvalued because their brands were buying it, right? And now I'm starting a brand at that point of time, which was Realme, which I had a marketing budget which was just hardly 7-8 crore rupees, like $1 million at that point of time. Now, how do you communicate? And when the brands are having such a big budget, right? Everybody will think it's not possible. But that is where I understood community building is extremely important. Educating the consumers is very important. Reaching out to the right way of community is the best way of building up a brand. Right?
Well, let me interrupt you for 1 second. So you're saying ki the question is always something which I can't understand. Are you manipulating the consumer? Okay, wrong word. Are you controlling the consumer or are you following what the consumer wants?
I never follow what the consumer wants. I give what they want in the next 12 months. That's the difference between that.
But
So
ये
like say
सोच
for-
किसका है कि I want this? Is from you or from them?
No. See, if I ask you, which smartphone do you want? You'll just say, I need better smartphone than this. You will not be able to define a smartphone. The best way to do it is, I understand your pain point on what you have a pain point from this smartphone. And I am able to break their pain points within next devices which I'm trying to build it. So I have to understand and gauge your problems. And if I'm able to gauge your problems of India 1, India 2, India 3, and build a smartphone accordingly in the next 12 months, that is where. And when you're taking this type of punt, risk bhi hai.
So you're suggesting to me कि boss ये options है to get a better phone.
I'm not suggesting. I'll make a device accordingly,
Correct.
and then I'll communicate that this are your problems and this is how you will
So
solve
human
it.
nature being what it is, I will be interested in what you're offering because I want a better phone. Am I
Yeah,
right?
because you had a problem,
Huh.
and I'm able to solve that problem.
Right.
Like a very small thing. If your battery anxieties always have. Right?
Yeah.
Even if Apple launches as the slimmest phone, but everybody takes a power bank along with it because they always have an anxiety कि भाई battery down हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
But it's a all-day battery life if you are an average user, right? If a 4,000, 5,000 mAh is a average battery life, which is a whole day battery life. You don't need to do a fancy marketing like 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 battery. It's a power bank. So how can you have a device with a good AI optimization, making sure that the whole day battery life sustains for the consumer? That's it. It's a background activity which I have to bring it to the foreground and educate to the consumers. It's as simple as that.
And on that, the consumer is like, boss, ye to sahi
Yeah, so they will use it, right? I have to give them, if the battery optimization through the software and through generative AI, if I'm able to make sure that probably, like, say, for example, you are opening a lot of apps. But if I am able to kill the background apps immediately after you are moving to the next app, your battery will be saved.
saved, yeah.
How can I use a lot of that type of backdrop actions to make sure that probably your battery life is better rather than giving you just numbers? But people get fooled with the good marketing numbers like 200 megapixel camera is better than 50 megapixel camera. It's a foolish thing.
Ridiculous.
It's a completely
And
foolish
we're not
thing.
professionals also. Still, they make a big deal out of that, yeah.
Right. Yeah, because people only understand numbers. Higher is better. That is where the Indian psychology has been played, right? Okay, higher number is a better product. Higher price, better product. Nothing like that, right? It is just a positioning and in the mind of a consumer what the brands play, and probably they are selling the same product at a different day.
So Realme's success is because of what you
Understanding the consumer
the
psychology,
features that they will want.
they will want.
Huh.
Like say for example, I knew that India has the youngest population in the world. If they have a youngest population in the world, the entire basic gaming phones were not less than 20,000 rupees. If I'm able to launch a phone with a better processor less than 10,000 rupees, they would love to have it. So they needed a good processing capability. They did not needed something which can only be afforded about 20,000 rupees, right? So I gave them a phone at 10,000 rupees at that point of time, which was a good gaming phone.
But how do you profit then if you've taken a 50% discount on making
I
a
told
phone
you,
from the competitor?
The cost of a product plus minus is 5-10% depending on the economies of scale. But it's all about the price of a product, what the brand positions in the mind of a consumer. जैसे मैं 40% अगर retailers को नहीं दे रहा हूँ, तो I can give it to the consumer, ना?
Correct.
That's as simple as that. Why do I have to? So say for example, if my cost of a phone is 10,000 rupees, why do I have to price 15,000 rupees if I'm selling it in offline? It's as simple as that. I'm selling it in
वो भी
offline.
एक science है ना. What is the exact price you can get away with? Not too much and not too little.
Exactly. But at the same time, I know that I'll be definitely competitive in my competition by at least 40% because they are doing what I'm not doing it. So you don't make mistakes, right? I don't want to send them to Bangkok. I don't only want to go directly to consumers. And if I'm able to do it, I think consumers will understand faster and then the word of mouth grows.
Were you very confident with Realme before you launched it?
I was the only person who was confident about it. Nobody was confident around me because the way marketing budget, when I spoke to the first marketing agency came over, बोले आपके क्या है? ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. उसने 1200 crore spend किया. मैं बोला ठीक है भाई मुझे नहीं करना है, right? Because I cannot take that
So they were
point.
not impressed because of lack of spends.
No, because yeah, marketing agency will always understand the money which you are spending,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because that is the commission what they're going to get out of it.
So he's so disappointed. कि boss, और बढ़ाओ ना.
So then they started saying, we will send our junior member to come and discuss with you, right? We are happy with it, right? Because I believe the junior team member can execute better than the senior member who is just coming and, boarding themselves or boasting in the room. So I said, fair enough. Much better to get what we want. We'll be able to negotiate better. That's how it is, right? So understanding the consumers and building up a product and having the right partnerships. What I said, your network is your net worth. We had a very strong partnership with Flipkart at that point of time, and we built a brand along with them. They had millions of consumers reach. So with one banner over there on the front page, is like reaching out to millions of people in one day itself, right? So I think that's where our and Flipkart partnership, or my and Flipkart partnership, really gave us a lot of boost in building up a brand.
That also choosing an alliance you have to is another story altogether.
That is the reason I said your network is your net worth, right? And you have to choose the right partner who can promote for you. My job is not marketing. My job is to build a right product
Which suits the market.
which suits the market. If the product is right, I just have to communicate right. But that communication can be also done by partners who are willing to do it for you if they also think in the similar thing.
How important is luck in all this?
It's bullshit. Luck.
Bullshit?
Yeah, I don't think so. It's luck. I think at the end of the day, if you start believing in luck, I'm not saying there may not be a luck or anything, but if you start believing in luck, you stop working hard. So better start working hard rather than believing
I
in
think
luck.
luck
right?
is better when you want to blame. For blame is more for bad luck than good luck. Yeah, comes in handy.
Yeah, if I'm failed, then I say it was my bad luck, right?
Yeah.
But it's all about your effort and not being able to understand what the market wants.
But now going forward, since India keeps changing also, right? Am I right to say?
Always.
So you have to sort of stay up with the demographics that are changing.
Yeah. This tech industry
In
is
telecom,
like, in telecom industry, it always keeps you on toes. Because with the way the AI is coming and like how your business is secured, our business keeps on evolving every day and evolving at a very fast pace.
The customer is changing a little bit, no? The next generation of customer.
Customers are not changing, but the technology and the aspirations from the technology are changing over a period of time. The customers, as I said, they don't know what they want from a product in the near future. They can only define a better product. They cannot define a right product. They can say, I need a better product than this. But to define that better takes a lot of fun from a CEO where there can be a lot of risk. And that is the reason a lot of leaders don't want to take that risk because it's a risk of the job.
But is there anything after the smartphone? Like, is there some other technology you think?
We've been debating that, probably
Extra smart.
what we call it is a ecosystem, which is smartphone at the center and all other products or all other gadgets connected with one particular device. So which will be that hub? Hub currently is a smartphone. From last 10 years, it has been smartphone only. A lot of people tried doing it and they have failed miserably, including Mark Zuckerberg, who has failed miserably in their metaverse,
Mark
right?
Zuckerberg, the failure. Was Zuckerberg or Zuckerberg?
Whoever.
Like
whatever.
Mother Zucker.
I have
You
no
Mother
idea.
Zucker. You Mother Zucker. I don't know.
Apologies if I'm not naming it right, but at the same point of time, I would just say,
He'll soon buy Facebook. Don't worry.
no. The way he invested in metaverse, on the way that he thought that the AI glasses will replace everything and will replace the smartphones. He has now laid off 1,000 people from that, and he has already stopped working on that particular project almost because he understood that that cannot be replaced. So a lot of people thought of
So he
it.
got it wrong.
That's what I said. When he failed also, but he tried. Until unless you do not try, how will you
Correct.
fail?
Yeah.
Right? Only people who fail is the people who tried.
Correct.
Right? But people are scared to fail and hence they don't want to try. That's the biggest challenge in India versus what the people in US and Europe think. Right? So what I think it is that when he tried doing it, he was so optimistic about it to build that ecosystem around it that he will be able to create that AI glasses. The AI glasses are not the future. Right? And he understood that. Now he has moved to the next project because for him, it is just another peanut in his balance sheet which has moved out, right? But he has moved to the next project because he knows that for him to earn that money is a basic change in algorithm in any of the things and he can earn the money back again, right? So when he's controlling that particular thing, he can take a lot of risk around that ecosystem. So when I say smartphone being replaced as a hub of the ecosystem, I think from last 10 years, I've never seen that. A lot of people tried rings, a lot of people tried watches, TWS,
At
glasses.
the moment, smartphone is the one that connects everything.
Last 10 years, 1 decade, I have not seen any product coming closer even to replace the smartphone as a hub of controlling the AIoT ecosystem.
Right.
Which may be your home, lights, watches,
Sab kuch,
anything. TVs are including everything, yeah.
CC cameras, everything is on it.
Everything is controlled through a smartphone.
So what's next for you then?
To build an ecosystem around it, like what I said, this is one of the ecosystems. So also I'm trying to solve the problems of what the consumer has it. Like as I said, the people when they are continuously
Also, you
using,
looked at all the issues that we are feeling.
yeah,
as
like
consumers.
this TWS, which I'm launching it, which is wireless audio. What I'm trying to solve is that probably if they want to wear it for a longer period of time, they can continue to wear it. Will it look better? Yes, they can look fashionable also. B, can it be health beneficial? Yes, it can be health beneficial. C, I think if they want to be longer on the calls and everything, and still they want to be connected with the outside world, what is happening around it, they can be doing it. So I'm just trying to solve a problem and create a product, which is what I'm trying to do it. So building an ecosystem, which is tablets, audio, wearables around the smartphones.
Are we looking for partners? Where to free? I'm not doing too much here. you're interested.
As I said that, right? If you can sell and make the people laugh in India.
Sir, the audience buddy controlling me with this praising. He knows कि मैं Leo personality हूँ. तारीफ करो बस हो जाएगा. The guy will sit down quietly.
But then for you to sell a smartphone is much easier.
I can't sell a phone. Forget smartphone.
To make people laugh is more difficult task than selling a smartphone.
Not in this environment. but before we close, I want to ask a couple of questions. Why can't we develop an app where हर सुबह में, I hear these people with stupid conversations. In India, nobody just says hello and walks by. They want to always talk one line because they feel they need to say more to show interest in you. और वो सब insincere interest है. So they say, hello, hey, you lost weight. So it's the same thing for them. You lost weight, you put on weight, you not slept, you're looking fresh, where have you been, you're late. I can't take it anymore, yaar. It's redundant conversation jo har din, har subah. So I'm thinking, can I get an app where the moment they say that, their voice stops? I just press one button and their voice stops. So the guy goes, hello. हो गया.
Maybe that's not possible, but one thing you can definitely do is to pretend on the phone and just walk off.
वो मैं करता है. I mean, I always do this. This is the best thing. Like I'll be with you. Because nobody wants to wait. Everybody's walking off in any case.
Yeah. That's just a conversation starter, but I believe that yes, maybe people eventually wants to talk. As I said, everybody wants to build a network with you, and that's the reason I think they would love to talk with you.
Only males, beta. Only males. Nothing has changed. All right. So very busy man, you're very excited about doing all these new things also still.
Yeah.
Never lose that fire ki boss. मुझे कुछ करना है.
I think I enjoy doing what I do. I think tech is something which I've only done it in my life, and I don't understand anything apart from it, right? So I cannot talk with anyone. So like what you said, that people want to talk with you. People unlikely they don't want to talk to me because I cannot talk anything apart from tech.
No, but it's a fascinating subject, sir. And एक और चीज before we want to ask you, ये sentient ना शब्द है. Sentient. Is it possible these robots and this AI to become like sentient humans? Not humans, but conscious. Have a consciousness.
Keep on evolve. No, it's very difficult, but it will keep on evolving. You have to understand they will only learn from human. What is generative AI? Let us understand. AI 1960 से है. हम लोग सोचते AI नहीं था. AI 1960 से. What has changed right now is it's become more generative. What is generative AI? It is something that they are learning from your search history and giving you an optimistic answer.
Right.
Rolling it back again and forward and back again.
Learning, unlearning, and coming back to you.
It's as simple as that. They are doing exactly based on your search history and your discussion with that. They are just giving you an output of it. So if you see there's a thumbs up and thumbs down to every answer.
Right.
If there's a thumbs down, then they would understand that this is type of answer you don't want it. So they will rerun it. It's a loop. They'll continue rerun it and give you a different type of answers next time, which you are happy to see it because they want to control your decision. What does AI want to do is tomorrow if they are able to control your decision, then they will be able to sell you any product whatever they want to sell it. That's it. They want to replace you, which is something what we have to fight, and we have to make sure that we are not being replaced. Right?
But if they replace us, what happens to us?
Replace in the sense they want to replace your thinking capability. What does the thinking capability mean?
We rely on them to.
We rely on them. No? So what has happened from
कमजोर हो जाएगा immediately because you're relying.
Initially we used to search. From search we have moved to asking. We used to search certain things. So we used to
We're
think.
still in command.
We are still in command.
Now
we are searching.
Asking.
Now we are asking.
उसके बाद we are begging.
Yeah. They will say, why you are buying this product, you should buy this product. Because they know your search history.
And we reach a point where we don't think for ourselves and we accept it.
Because you start trusting them, right? They build their trust and then they start selling you the products, right?
So what if you get married like that? They tell you, hey, Rupa nahi, Sharmila. And Sharmila is really not nice looking.
And they will still say, yes, you can try. But Rupa has this benefit and Sharmila has this benefit, and you can try. They'll never give you a negative answer.
They don't actually make a decision.
They will push you to a certain decision, but they will not say negative about it because that's how the codings and LLMs has been done. Right? That you always have to stick to it rather than because people like to hear positive things.
Correct.
So the day they start saying, no, you should not be doing it, you will not like that person, right? Ideally the same way.
They can't criticize us. They have to have that balance ki they're helping. Yeah.
They're not balanced. They will always be positive, optimistic about whatever your decision is. They are like they are supporting you in all your decisions. That's how it is, right? They're like a constant companion, but the constant companion will start selling you the products over a period of time, because that's how it happens. If like you must be doing it like SEO and SEM, which is a search engine optimization, search engine management. मैं M को money बोलता हूँ कि search engine management मतलब वहाँ पे
That's the
पैसा
end
लगता है,
goal, yeah.
right?
हाँ.
So the end goal is to make money, right? All of this business are not social business, right? They at the end of the day.
That's a very good point. Social नाम है, but actually it's all about controlling you to spend.
कोई social नहीं है, right? Everybody at the end of the day they want to come and they want to monetize it.
Yeah.
And you are a product. So ideally, what happens eventually that you become a product and they start selling you.
Wow.
Right.
That's a correct way to think about it. Started very optimistic. Now I'm getting worried about AI and all the robotics that are around us. But sir, young Madhavji has embraced everything. You don't fear anything. Technology is something that you.
Yeah, I don't fear about the failures, that's for sure, right? I'm not worried about, because I think after leaving Realme, for whatever happened, moved to multiple other projects, smaller projects, to learn and understand that, how we can transfer the technologies, what we can do. And then I started this AI plus smartphone now, thinking that probably now there's a scope for an Indian brand moving up the ladder. And let us,
Indian brand too.
yeah, to try to do something which nobody has done it in the past, right? Yes, I'm taking a big bet on it, and let's see. I think that's what I want to focus on it. So there are always chances. When you do a business, you are sure that you are not keeping an FD in a bank, that you are going to get a sure returns. Business is, there's a risk involved to it, right? मैंने ना बाहर बोर्ड लगा हुआ है कि मैं social service कर रहा हूँ ना कुछ है. So at the end of the day we have to make money.
Right.
I'm not here to make valuations, but I am here to make money, right? So every business what we do, we have to make money at the end of the
Speaking
day.
of which, Madhav, if you don't mind, can I get some equity in this new company of yours?
I'll always wait for the right valuation and then you please share.
अरे पैसा की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है भाई, मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, डोंट वरी. बॉयज काउंट एंड गिव ना टोटल आपस में कितना होगा, काउंट प्रॉपर्ली.
Honestly, but you're generous that you're offering me money. When I started this, nobody was offering me. You're enough generous right now, right?
I think it's a good lesson for people who are trying to do startups and all. The main point which you said, which is failure, is a great thing. Just embrace it and keep going.
Yeah.
That's exactly what you did.
And don't worry about the society. The biggest problem with the failure is people are worried about the societal pressure.
दिखता कैसा and all that.
How will people think about me? When my nearby people will think about me? How will my girlfriend think about me? Or how would my friends think about
Or
our
my
family
friend's girlfriend, who I really like. Yeah, it happens. You don't need AI. India, I mean, human beings are corrupt anyway. We don't need AI to corrupt us.
Yeah.
Madhav, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank
Likewise,
you so
sir.
much.
Likewise.
We'll follow your journey, and hopefully, when you're ready with your next epic work, you can come back and chat with us again.
It was great fun talking to you.
Learned a lot from him.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right. Cheers.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.